What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video, and today real quick I just want to give you guys a quick update on my main gaming slash rendering workstation main build right here. You guys can see. Now there was a problem. Recently I told you guys my ASRock motherboard gave out the Z370 motherboard, so I pulled up my Z370 motherboard and CPU out. I had an i7 8700K, and then one of my friend, he came over, he's like, yo, I need the CPU. So I was like, you know what, let me just hook him up. So I sold the CPU to him. And the motherboard, I don't know what I'm gonna do, because I think I'm gonna send it to ASRock. I don't know if I should do it. Alright, so at this very moment I needed something for, like, you know, like for gaming. This build is perfectly fine. My temporary build, I have a you guys remember Vivestar X370 GTN motherboard. That's the ITX motherboard. Looks so funny, right? And then I have a Ryzen 2200G, guys. Ryzen 2200G, good for gaming, okay, but not for video editing, like rendering purpose or game stream. No, you can't quad core. You need at least quad core with hyper threading. If you have only quad core CPU like Ryzen 2200G for gaming and streaming sometime, it's a bad thing to do. So today I was mad. I was like, you know what, I woke up, I was like, yo, enough is enough, because I was thinking about getting the Z390 motherboard and i9 9900K, and I was like, yo, I'm not willing to spend all this money just because of Intel bullshit going on right now. So I was like, you know what, whatever. So I went to Micro Center today and I spent $243 actually, because I got for $30 discount, and I picked up a motherboard and CPU, and I'm gonna show you. I personally think this motherboard and this CPU, especially the CPU, is the best budget CPU you can buy for gaming, streaming, rendering, and everything. And let me just show you guys. So, how much I spend. I'm gonna show you this total first. How much I spend, yo. So, I spent around 200. I don't know if you guys can see, $243. Only if my camera focus, but it's not focusing. So I spent $243. Buying the motherboard and the CPU, and of course I picked up a AMD processor, guys, Ryzen. Okay, so I picked up a Ryzen 2600G. Alright, so picked up a Ryzen 2600G. Was going for $149. I got a $30 discount, so I paid like $120 for the Ryzen 2600G. Alright, did I say G? Ryzen 26, not 2600G, okay? So, $149, $30 discount, I got it for $120. And I got an open box motherboard. I was planning on getting it like a, you know, the MSI Expert Titanium motherboard. I really like the old silver look, almost look white. I was planning on getting that, but then I was like, you know what, I need an X470 motherboard. So I picked up an open box. You guys can see here, I picked up an open box Gigabyte X470 Aorus, also gaming motherboard. This motherboard cost me around $103. So total was like, after $30 this discount with tax and everything, $243. So guys, I'm really excited, and I personally think this is more than enough for gaming, streaming, video rendering and stuff, because I don't really make video like every day, so I don't need to like save time like rendering, or like, you know, that I know there's like bigger channel, they do need like faster processor, better graphics card and stuff for like editing and video editing and stuff, but I'm not releasing video every day. So for me, I think 6-core processor, 2600 Ryzen 2600 it's a perfect processor for gaming, streaming, rendering, and also X470. The reason I went with X470, you guys know, like, I've been using X370 motherboard like in most of my previous build, and I never really had like X470 motherboard. So like, you know what, maybe I can do like a overview of this motherboard, you know, before I install and stuff. So if you guys want to see like a overview or like a review, unboxing and stuff, let me know. Leave in the comment below. This motherboard is pretty good. You can pick up this motherboard, I think, brand new for like $129 or $139. like I said, the reason I got it just because it's the X470, and I just wanted to try out X470. But even if you have an X370, all you have to do is just update the motherboard BIOS, and that's about it. The reason I would recommend everyone to buy, if you're a first-time buyer, go with the X470, not X370, because X370 you have to update motherboard BIOS in order to use like a second-gen Ryzen CPU. Alright guys, that should be it. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see like a build video for this, you know, my Ryzen build, the main workstation, let me know. If you guys want to see like a review, unboxing and review for this motherboard, X470 motherboard, let me know. Also, I have a budget gaming PC and I was working on, so it's almost done, and you know, benchmark video and stuff should be. That should be it, guys. Real quick, I just wanted to give you guys an update and keep you guys on the loop. This is your boy Sunny. Stay tuned.